In front of me is TCL 305i, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Now use gray switcher at the top to activate it and select Pair New Device. Finally, wait for available ones to show up and tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!